Home security is a big issue for many property owners and tenants. With the recent improvements in security tech, it's never been easier to add a surveillance camera to your home. Uniden's new Wirefree security cameras, the Guardian App Cam Solo PT Kit, is an innovative new device that enables you to secure an area without running wires through walls. The camera uses an inbuilt pan and tilt mechanism, offering a wider field of view for the secured area. This also means that for larger areas you want to secure, you don't need as many cameras to cover the area. Including a rechargeable battery, the camera comes with a solar panel to provide it with electricity throughout the day and even into the night. Like other small security cameras, the video from the camera can be viewed with Google Assistant and Alexa devices, while the smartphone app provides alerts when movement is detected. There's also two-way communication, thanks to a speaker and microphone built into the camera, ideal for talking to someone at the door, like a visitor or when you're expecting a delivery and you want to give further instructions. With free 7-day cloud backup storing of up to 1 GB of videos and onboard microSD storage, you can easily download footage from the camera in case of an emergency without paying an annual fee. If you need more storage, paid plans are available with increasing levels of storage and camera support. Uniden's Thermo Sense motion sensing provides the camera with more accurate motion sensing by detecting motion on heat sources instead of optically. This means it won't be fooled by false alarms like branches moving in the wind. Uniden's Guardian App Cam Solo PT Kit is an affordable way to add some security to your home. Without costly installation and with easy outdoor mounting, it's a great product providing you with the security you need for your home.